Hello everybody, welcome back. I am sorry about the wind, but we're on Blackpool close to the promenade, so what do you expect? It's Tuesday, the 10th of September, and I am here outside the Hartes building again. And this is day 2 of my demolition videos. Yesterday's did have to stop earlier than I wanted because I did have to go to work. And as we can see from where we stopped yesterday, there's been a massive amount of progress. We can see inside from here. If I can zoom in, that being blown over. It's almost all gone now. I mean, we knew when we started filming this that it would be a quick job. I'm trying to angle the camera away from the wind, because it is such a windy day. I'm just going to show you what the noise is like. That is with the wind blowing directly into the camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a good angle. Oh, that wind is right in my face, so it's right into your video. Maybe if I come here and we kind of come to the side, this might be good. Yeah, what about that? That's not bad, is it? That's a good angle to get, and it's as protected of the wind as I can be. So we're just going to stay here. And get the best angle of filming that I can. It's my day off today, so I've got a load of spare time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stay here for around half an hour, and film as much of this as I can, and then these guys will probably break off for lunch, and then I'll come back in the afternoon and get some more. But I did say at the beginning it's going to be down by the end of the week. I mean, we're only on Tuesday, and look how much has come down. And look how much has been cleared up. He's got the big grabby scoop thing on now, so he's more or less just on a clear up mission this morning. The dinosaur chomper is down there. You see it from here. I'll tell you what folks, it's a very, very clean demolition job, isn't it? Let's just walk around here. We might as well get a bit of walk around going on. Let's just get around this little bit of a corner. Again, I am sorry about the wind. There's nothing I can do about that. So it's quite strong. If we zoom in here, you may be able to see it if I zoom in. I'm not sure. Whoa, sorry, I really have been blown all over the place. But it's Christmas decorations there, look. That wind is completely nuts. It's coming right in from the prom. Look, oh, that is a wind, that isn't it? That's the direction it's coming from. I'm going to be filming in the other direction. This side's completely left. This bit will take longer, I think, because there's two little separate buildings there. That is going to take longer to get down because there's going to be separate walls and separate things in there to get down. The main part is pretty much just one giant space, so that didn't take anywhere near as long. All the roof's gone, all the top story's gone. They've really, really, really cracked on with this today for sure. But the good thing is, even when I had to go to work, there was a lot of people filming still, so I think between us, we've got most of it. Do you reckon? I'm kind of hiding behind this giant car there. It's sort of blocking some of the wind. So if I stay here for a bit, it's still windy, but it's not as windy. We're a little bit blocking the wind. So this guy now is just on a clearing up mission. on the top floor there, there is some graffiti, but I'm not going to zoom in on that because there's little drawings that probably aren't appropriate to zoom in on. Walk round to the other side. I think the noise will be a little bit more around the other side, but I also think that the view will be better. Also, there's a little bit of a wall there, so we're going to go back here and get this front on view. There we go. I think that's definitely a better view, even if we're looking directly into the wind. Stand back against the wall a bit and then lean on that, that's better. Zoom in a bit. You can see there, that's a giant pile of wooden stuff and bits and bobs in metal. Got the metal pile on that side, so everything's been sorted. But there is a basement in this building because we've seen into the basement. Well, we've been peeping through that hole in the wall before demolition started. That noise you can hear there is one of the skips being loaded onto the flatbed truck. Crouching down for a bit. My legs are really tired. Yesterday at work it was really hard, and I came home completely tired out. There we go, it's coming down here now. It's a big empty skip, so it's coming down here. So that can be loaded up. Oh good, I was going to say it's probably going to come directly into my view. But we might just be alright here. Or not, no, it's going to come forward. Oh, almost. Just move a couple of... Yeah, that's going to be the big skip where I think they'll put the metal in there first. Maybe, do you reckon? So they can recycle it all. Or on the way it's positioned, it's going to tackle that wood pile first. That's the biggest pile. So tackle that wood pile and fill that skip up. A little bit. thingy, isn't it? It's just testing now to see if it can reach, but yeah, a little bit further. Yeah, there you go. You can reach that in there. That's good. Perfect. And I just realised from looking here that I should have noticed. I walked around and I looked through there, then I walked around the front and I was like, yeah, the front bit's probably going to take a lot longer because all the walls will be inside, and yet we can see from here that all the insides to those outdoor shops have mostly gone. So yeah, I should have noticed that earlier. But anyway, as I starting this clear up, I am going to just finish this video. I will start another one. I'll stick around and I'll film another one. But I think for a lot of this day, at least for most of the morning, they are going to be clearing up. I can see people through that little gap right up there. I don't know if I'll be able to zoom in. My camera's a bit knackered now. But people working on the roof on the far side, back there. Yeah, but for now we are going to finish this video, so thank you for watching, and I will start the next one right after this one. See you in a second.